Well, hello, my frilly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and this is my shopping life. We're back shopping at Aldi today. My daughter is with me, and of course, she sees the calico critters, got all excited. They're only $8.99. And when she was trying to collect these when she was younger. At Toys R Us, these were $20 a little box. So she only got a couple. It was just, for me, I just thought it was a lot of money for such a small item. So she's here. Yeah, she's kind of looking through, picking them out. So I told her she could pick out one. So she's very excited. And it's a decent price, especially a lot less than what they used to be. The Peppa Pig toys, $12.99. Now she has a lot of these, so she already has this. She doesn't play with Peppa Pig anymore, but she saves them. She wants to save them for her kids. And the ladies' memory foam athletic shoes. These look really nice. You have two different designs to choose from, but the price is pretty decent. $11.99. Items like these at Aldi, they sell out so fast. And you have your Easter egg coloring kits for $1.89. So many to choose from. And she found the Pokemon. Yes, these are actually pretty cool. Trading cards are inside of them. You can see the Pokemon balls. There's different ones. And how much are those? I know I saw these in another place. $11.99. I think I saw it was a set of 2 or 4 at Sam's Club. And the Coco Melon. That's another popular show. And you have the little squishy beanies. They almost look like the Squishmallows. They're so cute and soft. And how much are those? $9.99. They have some different ones. So of course with my daughter with me, she's pointing all of these out. These are just so soft. And what else we have? Oh, even more. Oh, they're like little bears with little costumes. $4.99. Wow. Those are nice. Oh, this one, well, that is a Squishmallow. There's a couple hiding in here. Oh, he's a little bear with a little bee costume. Then we have a little carrot. Oh, that's just a carrot. So there's different items in here. So I don't know if they're all $4.99, but they're all so cute. And even some more. Here's some Legos. And smaller packages for $4.99. Now $17.99. This is Pyramid 4-port mini charger. Interesting. So you have the cord here. They have a power button. There is 2 USB port chargers. This is a very interesting one. Okay, I see. Set it on your desk. Okay. So it says a power source for every device. This one is really interesting. It does have a little bit of a price, $17.99. Now they're showing there's 3 different designs, but it's on the top shelf. And I think there's another one back there. I just can't reach them all. Now $5.99. There's some great clearance items. You have that spatula set. The wood bowl for still $20. And then for $5, you have that pizza pan or the deep dish pizza pan. Now this is a good clearance price. Normally $10, clearance for $5. That farmhouse kitchen, you have the utensil and then the colander. That's a good price. That colander is really large. And for $4.99, you could choose between, it's like the hammered look on the glass, 2 glasses or a carafe. $5 for the bamboo steamers. There's only 2 left here, but that is actually a pretty good price for those. And yeah, the farmhouse pitcher, normally $16.99, marked down to $12.79. These are nice. It's a good size. Now I know these clearance prices are not at all of the Aldis, but hopefully your local Aldi will mark them down soon as well. Because it's always good to get things at a good price. We all love it. We all love a deal. The electric griddles, there is a lot here. These would make a great wedding gift. birthday gift. I love mine. Mine is old, but it still works perfectly. This one is ceramic titanium. They do cook fast. I like how easy they are to clean up. $18.79 for that. That is definitely a good price. The sparkling water and soda maker has been marked down to $33.99. You have the oil and vinegar sets. Now each of these are sold separately, so they're individual sales for $3.79. Normally they were $5. And the spring, this is the reversible wall sign. This is from $12.99 down to $9.79. Here are some kids' dishes. So what does this say? Bluey. I don't know who that is. I see like Disney princess, looks like Marvel, all sorts of different kids characters. You have utensils, you have the plates. Those are $4.99 each. And then for $5.99, you have these large sipper cups with the little character heads on there. Now this is really cool. This will look great like on a fireplace. Look, this is a candle. Look how many wicks there are. They're 10 wicks. $19.99. That is so nice. I really do like it. $2.99. The ALDI Superfan coloring book. How fun. It's stickers. These are activity books, so these have been marked down. I like that for me. You also have these ultimate drawing kits that my daughter pointed out. There's $6.99. There's 4 to choose from. These are actually pretty nice kits too. And yeah, the advanced activity books, there's 4 to choose from in that one as well. Yeah, these window panels, $4.50. The adjustable posture corrector, $3.40. Wow, that is really inexpensive. Now these are scented bath bombs. Ooh, I don't know. $3.99. There's always a question on bath bombs, especially for females. And here are some more kid activities for $8.99. And this cat's welcome. This cats and dogs, those little containers, it's perfect for storing toys. $2.25. That is really a good clearance price. You have some kids books for $4.99. Here are the silicone baking pans. There's a few sizes to choose from. Here's a square tray, almost like an 8x8. You have your bread loaf pan, the round cake pan. Now, $5.99. Not a bad price. I just wonder, how long do these hold up? Here is the larger tray. So some different ones to choose from. There's 3 different colors. You have purple, green, and the gray. And the kids' shoes, there's several designs. So it looks like for both boys and girls by Lily and Dan. There's a box up here. Let's check these out. Now these look like slip-ons, kind of remind me of Vans. And these are $7.99. Not a bad price because kids can at times grow out of shoes really fast. And the bird seed, okay, $9.49. This is a good size bag. 20 pounds. This is for wild birds. I bought a small bag one time for my birds. They just ignored it. And here is the rubber mulch in the mocha brown. Now this has a 12-year color lock. Wow. It's a good size bag. And how much are these? $5.99. Wow, that's not a bad price. I remember when the first came out, it was really pricey, so they have gone down over the time. Potty mix. Now this is a good size bag. Not too big, not too small, so easy to load into your cart. $4.99 for that. There's a lot of it here. These tend to sell down pretty quick, depending on the time of year. And the 3 shelf is that tall utility cabinet. Now, I know I showed this before, but this has gone down in price. Yeah, from $79 down to $59. So $20 savings. And then, ooh, we'll check out a little bit of the food. You got some new teas here. Ooh, couple of, about 3 different ones. $2.29. Mashed potatoes. If you're looking for like instant mashed potatoes, like in a container, single serving, $4.66. They brought back the peaches. These are peaches flavored, pineapple, coconut, ginger, and passion fruit. It feels light, like it's almost plastic. I don't know. Oh, those are $3.99. Okay. And you have these cherries. Now, this is really interesting. Now, I love cherries. Ooh, these would be good for a pie. I'm thinking. I know it's not in the heavy, thick syrup, but you can make the syrup any way you want. Or you could use those for cocktails, whatever you want. $2.99. Yeah, the green olives, those are so good. Those are a good size too. And those are $3.29. And some treats. Yeah, there's always a sweet treat here. $3.89. This carrot cake, cookies. Whoa. I'm going to resist, but boy, those do look tasty. You can see the carrot in them. By Bake Shop, $4.79 for that. And then the sugar cookies, these soft sugar cookies, $3.95. And the hams are on special, so $1.49. So limited to, yeah, you can see $1.49 per pound was $2.39, so almost a dollar, about 90 cents off. The calamari, salt and pepper calamari, I do like calamari. Here's some of the ingredients right here on the side. These are not gluten-free. And $6.99 for those. And here is the lamb legs. Now these are frozen, but they're boneless. Okay. I saw a lady with a cart. She had like 4 of these in there. I can see why. For $15 down to $3.79. I'm gonna grab an extra one too. I do like these, and they're heavy. So that is a really good deal. That's probably my favorite deal today. Now, here is the landscape fabric. How much is that? I always have them right down. $4.99. Try to get without the glare. And then for $16.99, this weed puller. Okay, I want to know how good these are. I have tons of crabgrass that I need to get out of my yard. But I'm kind of curious, if you have used this, please let us know in the comments how well these work. Or is it just a waste of money? I'm curious. Some gardening gloves, $4.50. Now, I did get these last year. These pruning little scissors, $5.99. They actually work for as inexpensive as they are. They work really good. I used them a lot. Now the garden bag pop-up. I remember I was going to grab this last year. I actually forgot. I went back to get it and they were gone. So I am not going to do that again. I'm grabbing this today. And the flexible downspout extender and the electric pressure washer. $100. So there are some good deals today. Ooh, you got the utility boots. Good for, yeah, especially if you're doing all the gardening. With all the rain we have, we definitely need some waterproof with all the mud. $17.99, my apologies. These will sell out pretty quick. And here is another wooden potting bench. These are always nice to have. It's a good size. I just wonder how long it would last, especially because they're outside. And that one is $70. Wow. You do have to put it together. So lots of fun items today. And yeah, all the gardening stuff all together. I love that it's all new. So everybody, well, thank you so much for coming to Aldi with me today. I hope your day is going well. And until next time we shop, take care and I will talk to you later.